If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level parabola. So today we will see that the number of tangents that we can draw from a point. The point can be inside, that is region 1, or on the parabola, or region 2. So we will see how many tangents we can draw from these points. Okay, then let's see this. The number of tangents drawn from a point to a parabola. If you have a point, then how many tangents you can draw? So a parabola is given to you, a point is given to you. Suppose a parabola. Now the point can be inside, can be on the line, can be outside. 3 different locations I have written. So let us try one by one. So any tangent if you want to draw in this line, so tangent should be of this fashion. That's what we have understood from condition of tangency. If you want to write a tangent of this one, of slope m, it should be of this format. Now because this line has to pass through the given point, that is x1, y1, anywhere it can be. So it has to satisfy this point. So if you put this point, it has to satisfy. Now let us try to find as many as m we know, as many as tangents we can draw. So if you calculate m is of this fashion. Now if this discriminant, if it is greater than 0, then how many m you will get? You will get 2m. That means you can draw 2 tangents. So if this is greater than 0, just now you have learned. If this is greater than, then where the point is in region 2, R2. That is outside. So from outside you can draw 2 tangents. So graphically also you can prove it. How I will prove it? Suppose this is my parabola. If my point is here, so one tangent can be drawn in this way and one tangent can be drawn in this way. So obviously 2 tangents can be drawn. If my point is here, one can be this side, one can be this side. So if it is outside in region 2, then you can draw 2 tangents. If it is on the line, then you can draw only one tangent. If it is inside, then no tangents. If it is less than this, then the no real tangents you can draw from the point in region 1. If P is inside, then you cannot draw any tangent. If it is on the line, then you can draw only one tangent. So that is the number of tangents that you can draw from a point, depending on inside, on the line, or outside. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.